Malacañang is mulling over the possibility of extending the martial law imposition in Mindanao following a deadly blast in Isulan, Sultan Kudarat. Grace Casin tells us why.
Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea confirms that they are looking to extend the implementation of martial law in Mindanao region. This is in light of the recent blast in Isulan, Sultan Kudarat that claimed 2 lives and injured over 30 others. President Rodrigo Duterte first imposed martial law in Mindanao on May 23, 2017 after a multi-terrorist group attacked the city of Marawi and attempt to establish a caliphate there. But Duterte later asked the Congress to extend the martial law rule in the southern region until the end of 2018.
It's an option, but nandiyan yung we're trying to make it as easy as possible na walang ano. But kung ganito pa rin ang nangyayari, anong gagawin natin? Upulan tayo dyan.
But Vice President Lenny Robredo disagrees with the idea, saying the government should first give an assurance that extending martial law for the second time is the ultimate solution.
Kung ang pagbabasehan kasi yung mga nakaraang pangyayari, pinapakita na hindi epektibo yung martial law sa pagsugpo nito.
Even the leadership of the Senate believes there is no need to extend the martial law.
Maaga pang maisip yan. Baka naman within a month or two, resolve na yung mga nangyari dun. So hindi pa siguro.
Bayan Muna Party List Representative Carlos Zarate meanwhile surmises that failure of intelligence might have caused the incident, which was promptly denied by the Philippine National Police.
Isang posible talaga rito yung failure ng intelligence gathering ng ating mga
Well, it's not necessarily failure, Your Honor. It's because sometimes even if we have this effort on intelligence gathering, talagang kuminsan po talaga nakakalusot, Your Honor.
Grace Casin, UNTV, News and Rescue, House of Representatives.